Hey there, I'm Kitchen Kimberly. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe and be a part of this plant-based community. I am a professional foodie who's recently transitioned to a whole food plant-based lifestyle. I'm planning to share lots of ideas, tips, and recipes to make that transition easier for you as well. And first up, how to stock your refrigerator for a whole food plant-based lifestyle. And then next week, we're going to peek inside the pantry. I'll give you the tour of a well-stocked pantry for a plant-based lifestyle. And if you like what you see, be sure to hit the subscribe button because I don't want you to miss the full tour coming up next Tuesday.
Here's a look at some of my recent grocery hauls. Each week I buy different types of produce so we have a good variety of meals as well as a variety of nutrients. When you shop, pick what looks freshest in the store for best flavor and quality. We eat so much salad that I always buy 4 heads of romaine. Now that's not enough greens, so I also buy kale and fresh herbs to mix into salads and soups. To make it easy, I pick up some bags of freshly washed or chopped veggies like spinach, shredded carrots, and coleslaw mix. I love the slaw mixed into my lunch salads, and anything that's not enjoyed in my salads can go into a quick stir fry. Grains are very important in this way of eating, so I picked up some farro and some wild rice. I'll cook a batch of those later today to keep in the fridge for quick meals and salads. We love cold rice in our salads. Now it's fall, y'all, so make sure you're enjoying the fresh apple harvest that's hitting the stores now. Try a new variety to mix things up. Some of our favorites are Honeycrisp and Sweet Tango. Try to schedule your grocery shopping so you have a little extra time when you get home to prep. With all this produce, I don't have time to do it all at once, but I do chop the lettuce, bell peppers, and celery and get them into containers. I find that using glass storage containers keeps the produce fresher longer. I'll put a link in the description box below if you'd like to check them out. Another tip for you while you're chopping and prepping that produce is just put on some good music, get your family involved. You know, many hands make light work. So if you've got some helpers in the kitchen, good for you. And be sure you're snacking along the way. I always do. It's important to keep up our energy while we're doing all this chopping and prepping, isn't it? Now these won't go into the refrigerator, but I do love to keep cherry and grape tomatoes on hand. Just a quick rinse and a chop, and they're ready to enjoy in your salads. And now I'm showing you my refrigerator in hopes that it will motivate you. In the door, I store cashews, pecans, pumpkin seeds, and walnuts. I keep my vegetable base up front because I use it every day for sauteing veggies and making broth for soups and for making rice. In the little shaker jar is a combination of nutritional yeast and raw almonds. Grind them together in a food processor and shake it on salads and pasta. And there's some homemade hummus and leftover rice and beans. And I always keep a container of grapes ready to snack on. Having lettuce and kale ready and in containers makes quick salads super easy to prepare. I also keep baby carrots for snacking, and here are some other leftovers. Ooh, look at that guacamole. I've got to enjoy that today. And I love to keep almond butter and tahini in my fridge at all times. Those are great for plant-based recipes. Now, because we have so much produce to store, I love the convenience of this pull-out drawer that can be adjusted by temperature for meat, deli, or produce items. I keep extra cauliflower, mushrooms, lettuce, cucumber, avocados, all ready to enjoy right here in this drawer. Now, here's an overall look of the fridge. Oh, I forgot to mention the dates that you see on the right. Those are great for snacking. Their natural sweetness makes them the perfect treat.
I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. All of us could use a little more plant-based eating in our lives, and my mission with this channel is to help make that easier and more efficient for everyone. I'm Kitchen Kimberly. Until we eat again, remember, you have the power of your own good health right there in your hands. Just look at what's on the end of your fork and make sure it's plant-based. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon.